My research focuses on geospatial technologies, which include GIS, Geographic Information Systems, remote sensing, which includes aerial photography, satellite imagery, and now drone imagery, GPS, digital globes, and I use those technologies to try to understand what's happening on the surface of the Earth. 20 years ago, I was pretty much solely working in the tropics, looking at deforestation and land use, land cover change type issues. So trying to understand how forests were being cut down and pineapple fields being put in their place down in Costa Rica. So a lot of what I was doing initially was trying to get information out of remotely sensed imagery, out of satellite images.
I've been working in West Africa for about 10 years. And part of what I do is study the landscape itself and try to interpret the landscape to understand the deep time human impact on the landscape, including the forest, and trying to understand when people started farming on the land, when people started producing iron, which involves deforestation in some cases. So I took Jane's classes, her GIS class and her remote sensing class, to help me deal with some of the data that I was getting, some of this landscape data.
We'll get students from across the university, from biology, from earth sciences, engineering, Newhouse, management, all the social sciences. All of them, for one reason or another, will want to be using some form of spatial data and then to be able to visualize it in the form of maps or imagery.
What got me excited with research with Dr. Reed was the ability to start with an interest that I was interested in. It was based on the Franklin Square location in Syracuse, New York, where we created a spatial storytelling project where we showed and took a tour digitally through the neighborhood. And it gave us an opportunity to work with a number of different types of spatial technologies to create and bring a map to life.
I've become interested in spatial storytelling as a way to try to make maps become more alive. So, nowadays you can go online and you can click on a point and something will pop up, maybe a text or another image or a video even. And so what I've become interested in is how we can sort of leverage all of our digital media to try to sort of really tell a story so that when somebody looks at a map, they can interact with a map and really get the information that they want out of it.